I present to you this elegant semi-detached V3+1 villa in Vilamoura, located in a peaceful and privileged residential area. Private elevator, air conditioning, integrated sound system, and full security. With 394 square meters of built area, it stands out for its spacious living room, with fireplace and abundant natural light, a fully equipped HTH kitchen, and 3 bedrooms, including 2 en-suite. The basement offers a versatile space with a cinema or game gym with jacuzzi, sauna, and Turkish bath. Outside, you will find generous terraces, a private garden with a swimming pool and barbecue area, ideal for leisure moments. An excellent investment opportunity with countryside and sea views.